Now we learned about the Perfect Aminos, and then they also have an electrolyte product, which is another very important product for our skin and our overall health.
Part of skin health is hydration. We have to feed the skin and we have to hydrate. If we feed the skin with amino acids, we also have to make sure that we have the proper amount of salt, magnesium, everything that we need in our bodies for hydration. People go, oh, I drink 8,000 gallons of water every day. But what they don't have in their body, the cell will only function better. It will accept the hydration when it has the proper minerals around it. So it'll open up for the water hydration when you have the electrolytes in your body. Mix this with your amino acids in the morning, put it in your shake or put it in water very first thing. You're getting your electrolytes for the day. So all the water you drink will be put to good use. It'll plump the skin and make it look firm. It helps with the elasticity of the skin because you're doing all of that with the electrolytes, and the water actually makes the skin feel better.